Happy Safety Monday, everyone. Thanks for clicking in. I'm Jay Norris, the Director of Safety. In the last few days, the coronavirus has taken center stage for all of our lives. I won't use this time to give statistics or the latest news because things are changing so quickly. I do want to take this time to speak to your heart. We will get through this. The TDOT family has been through so much over the years. A mass shooting at Region 4 in 2005, the Gatlinburg fires a couple years ago, major ice storms, the 2010 flood, major landslides, the list goes on and on. We made it through those times. Uncertainty of what tomorrow has for us can cause a great deal of anxiety, but please remember, we will get through this. Many of you had similar feelings with a family member being deployed overseas or a sick child. I'm encouraging you guys to have peace and take heart. I grew up in a TDOT family. My dad spent a career here. I used to sneak out to the house to his state car and get on the radio and talk with people. I'd run around the backyard with the measuring wheel. That same level of commitment and courage that existed with my father's TDOT is with us today. I'm humbled by how hard that you work, the challenges that you rise to meet up, and your heart to serve Tennessee. Please know that your jobs are incredibly important. It is important that you are safe during this time and that your families are safe as well. Most of the time we use Safety Monday to talk about how to be safe at work. I want to talk about some practical things that we can do to keep ourselves safe and our families safe. The risk of becoming seriously ill with COVID-19 is very low, but can be very serious for people over 60. We all have these people in our lives, parents, grandparents, neighbors, friends. We need to be safe for them. Wash your hands. The main way this virus is transmitted is from hand to a mouth or nose. Sing Rocky Top twice as you wash your hands. That should be around 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Cover your cough or sneeze with your arm or a tissue. Wipe down common areas with disinfectant. Social distancing. Keep distance at least 6 feet when out in public. Limit interactions to groups of 10 or less. Know the symptoms: fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Seek medical advice if you have any of these symptoms. Finally, you may have heard of the term flattening the curve. You may not be sure what this means. Please look at this chart. This is the chart of the number of cases of the virus on the vertical axis and the time elapsing on the horizontal axis. The healthcare sector is very nervous about the virus hitting at once and overwhelming our healthcare system. This would mean that emergency rooms and waiting areas would be full, there would not be enough hospital beds or special equipment such as ventilators. We want to stop this tsunami from happening at once. Flattening the curve means we want to slow the number of virus cases by limiting our public interactions. Over time, this will allow our healthcare system to catch up. Please take a look at this Washington Post article that is attached. It does a great job explaining why this matters. In the midst of this, please take care of yourself. Take care of your body, eat well, exercise, get plenty of sleep. Connect with others, take breaks and unwind when you can. Stay informed, but also don't be afraid to turn the news off and take a break. Please remember that for those of you who are experiencing a high level of anxiety and would like to reach out for help and don't know where exactly to turn, TDOT does have an employee assistance program available. Pre-authorization is required to utilize your employee assistance program. Simply call 855-437-3486 or go to herefortn.com to obtain your pre-authorization. If you prefer to access services over the phone, telephonic counseling is available as well as face-to-face appointments. They can be reached on the website found here. Please remember, take heart, be at peace. We will make it through this. And finally, wash your hands. Have a great week. Be safe. And remember, we work safe for the 4 most important people in our lives. Take care.